I love Hunt Electric, man. It's a great place to be. It's a great place to work. They take care of me.
Every day I basically get to go out and I do what I love, and I get to take care of customers, be a hero, fix problems.
We are very versatile. We're not afraid to tackle something that we've never done before.
We're kind of a different breed. I like it. It's an adventure every day.
Sometimes there is tremendous pressure.
You know, it's very hard work, it's very physical work, but it's also very rewarding.
Guys are very dedicated here because we take ownership of our jobs.
It invests me into the company. When I succeed, they succeed.
It's kind of a family-oriented atmosphere around here.
You know, there's friendships out there as well. It's not just a work environment.
They feel like they're part of a major team process.
As far as manpower, you need help, it's always right there.
Internally, we also have customer service with each other, with our coworkers, with our peers, with our managers. You know, it starts from the top down.
In my opinion, if you're not learning, then you're not living.
At Hunt Electric, we want our employees to have the latest tools and the latest training.
Everybody's trying to help everybody, mentor each other, try to grow them up in offering all these different divisions. It opens a lot of career paths for people. They can go into all sorts of different things.
Hunt's very supportive and backs you 100% with what you want to do.
Safety here is #1 priority.
I think at the end of the day, we all want to go home.
I love the get-go attitude that everybody has.
You know, we just kick butt and get things done.
People that flourish well in our division are the self-starters.
We're making those promises to our customers that we're going to provide them the best quality, we're going to treat them honestly. Our performance is going to be second to none, and versatility of being able to offer whatever their needs are.
We're looking for employees that align with our mission statement.
Our best resource is our employees, and we like to hear their input. The employees are take-charge employees.
We see young people come into the company, eyes wide open, they want to go somewhere, and we want to take them there.